Welcome everybody, Brian here from T-sportline coming to you from our Atlanta installation center, and today I've got a Cybertruck. I want to share with you all the upgrades that this customer chose. First, let's talk about the color. You can see satin black. This is TMaxx satin black PPF, paint protection film. It's not just vinyl, so you get the color of satin black, but you also get the added film protection of being PPF, so it's going to be resistant to stone chips, scratches, stuff like that, self-healing film. Let's talk about the color. This is satin black, and black on Cybertrucks is amazing. We have all kinds of flavors of black. You've got gloss black, metallic black, midnight rosso, all kinds of colors in TMaxx. Check them out. But satin black, why this? Well, it's a common question with customers. Do we go with gloss black or satin black? Gloss black looks amazing, but it's glossy and it's going to have a mirror-like finish and it's going to reflect everything. So when it's clean, it looks amazing, but when a gloss black vehicle is dirty, it's going to show up. So it's a lot harder to maintain gloss black because you have to keep the truck a lot cleaner for it to look good. The benefit with satin black is there's no reflection. This is not a mirror, so it's just dark, deep black. I can't see myself, I can't see reflections. Therefore, you can't see dirt as easily when it's on here. The other benefit to satin black, from a DIY PPF installation kit perspective, satin colors are easier to install than gloss colors for the same reason. Without that reflection from the gloss, it's a little more forgiving if you have any kind of imperfections. Let's say you have some dirt in the film, let's say you had a little wrinkle or something. It's a lot harder to see that, glue lines especially, when you use a satin PPF. So that does it for the black PPF talk. What else on this truck? You're going to notice up here, this customer put on our CTX Extreme Duty Bumper. This is a steel bumper, factory replacement, bolts on. Functionality, looks awesome, opportunity to add lighting and the winch. This customer chose the Morimoto 4-banger lights down here. These are going to be fog lights or spotlights. We have a lot of options. You can pick what you want, and you can't see them right now because he also opted for the 4-banger fog light covers. This is a street legal compliance thing. You can keep them covered, but when he wants to use them, he pops the covers off. It's just a silicone cover. They pull right off, and then you can have full lighting, which is controlled inside the Cybertruck from the center screen, either fog lights or spotlights, whatever works for you. One more Cybertruck rolling on out from T-sportline. Come on in here next. Let's get something for you. Let me know in the comments below, what color do you like? Do you like the satin black? Do you like gloss black? Are you a metallic black, psychedelic black? Pick a color. Let me know what you think in the bottom in the comments. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel because we've got a lot more Cybertruck content coming your way.